Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought you for new topic which is youngsters. So why I choose in our Indian youngsters 90% consume smoking and drinking. I don't know why. And nowadays addicted to alcohol. I'm not talking about one gender. I'm talking about both gender because girls also addicted to smoking and even alcohol. So why these kind of perspective in our Indian society? Just because whenever they consume these kind of stuff, so that time they feel like I'm a very cool. No, you are not a cool. You are a bad boy and you are a bad girl. So that's why you want to consume these kind of things. So you have goal. Like you are a student, you have goal. So why you want to consume? And sometimes what happens, we misuse our money and we called our father, our parents, and that times we told our mama and our father, I want to money. Why I want to money? Just because I want to buy book. But that time they don't want to buy book. They want to buy drink. So that's why this kind of perspective in our youngsters. I don't know why they manipulate people. So first of all, you have goal. So please stick your goal. While you are stick your goal, so there is no any distraction. And what happens whenever I come across in a social media, so there is number of girls also abusing. They are making reels related to abusing. I don't know why. So why you are abusing? Just because you are pretending I'm a cool girl? You are not a cool girl. You are a bad girl. So that's why you are pretending, and that's why you are abusing again and again. And why you are serving these kind of things? You are not alone. There is number of girls and there is number of children using social media. So that times what they consume only related these kind of content. You really want to make video, so you serve related to funny video and like normal video. Why you serve unnecessary things? And I was, so that times I already told, like I'm a come across in a social media. So that times I touched one reel, so there is number of message like you are a very cool Didi, you are a very good. So why you are abusing? Sometimes what happens, we feel very frustrated. So sometimes it's okay, but don't pretend like I'm a very cool girl and I'm a very good girl. Sometimes what happens, there is frustration, so we want to frustrate. So that time sometimes you deliver these kind of, like, don't put in a social media. Why you put? Just because you want to attention. And in our Indian society, I don't know why, like and even follow these kind of peoples. So whenever you come across these kind of reels, so first of all you block. And I also requested in our government, whenever you deliver these kind of reels, so first of all you block these kind of and don't, and again they never ever deliver. And while you are pushing, but in our government pushing again and again, so that's why these kind of reels in our India. So whenever you feel these kind of things, like we have friends, and sometimes what happen, we are like one friend, like he consume drink and alcohol, and he also push yourself like you can go and you drink. So that times what happen, first cut off these kind of people. When you will cut off these kind of people, so that time first time you feel like why I cut off. that times you ask yourself like why I cut off, just because I want to achieve my goal. I have particular goal, so that's why I want to cut off. And you don't have particular goal, so don't cut off these kind of people. And you have particular goal, so you stick your goal, because these kind of only distraction. There is no any good things. And while you go for, sometimes what happens, we feel bored, and sometimes we feel like we don't want to study, so you have phone, so sometimes you watch motivational video, so it's helpful for you. You buy related to any kind of book what you want to, so it's helpful for you. So this is my perspective. First of all, detach these kind of people. While you are detach these kind of people, so you feel more energetic, you feel more motivated. Because while you're consuming these kind of things, so you deep down again and again, so you one day you regret yourself. Why I addicted? Just because now I'm a foolish man. So first think what you want to. Like, yeah, yes, I have big goal. So walk in yourself. While you're walking in yourself, so one day drastic change yourself. And you are consuming this kind of stuff, so one day you regret yourself. So every person, this kind of habit, so first drop. First cut off these kind of, one day you feel low and another day you feel low, and then again and again stop yourself, so that times you feel like yes, now I stop and I'm feeling very good, and now I want to study. And when you consume these kind of things, so that times you feel depressed and anxiety also. And what about some people want to go for pub and parties? So don't go pub and parties. Sometimes what happens, we want to get together. So that time there is soft drink. Sometimes you drink soft drink, it's okay, but don't drink alcohol and smoking. While you are addicted as alcohol and smoking, so that times you when you will consume these kind of things, so that time one day you will regret yourself like why I consume these kind of stuff. So don't do. This is my perspective. And what about girls? Earlier I come across also one reel, so there is girls also like consume smoking. So why they want to consume? Just because they showing like I'm a pretty girl. So there is no any pretty girl, just because they want to dirty girl, so that's why they want to consume. This is my perspective. You are called like I am a Bharti Nari, so there is no need to drink these kind of things. You are a really Bhartiya Nari, so you drink normal like water and soft drink, that's it. There is no need to go these kind of things. This is my perspective. And whenever you, sometimes what happens, we are abusing, so stop these kind of unnecessary things. You shift your mind and then you read whatever you want to. It's helpful for your life. Don't consume these kind of things. So this is my perspective. So if you like my video, so please like and share and subscribe. मैंने बहुत दिक्कत में ये वीडियो बनाया, मेरे क्लाइंट भी हैं. ऐसे क्या है कि मेरे को सडनली टाइम मिलता नहीं है, जब भी अपना फोन उठाओ और रिकॉर्ड करना चालू हो जाओ. तो अगर कितना मुश्किल से मेरे को टाइम मिलता है और मैं बनाती हूँ, तो प्लीज आप लोग लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं कि जब भी सोलो वीडियो बनाना रहता है ना, तो बहुत मेहनत करना रहता है. लाइक 10 बारी तो अटैम्प्ट करो, फिर एक बार ऐसा होता है कि चल भाई अच्छा बन गया. तो प्लीज यार थोड़ा सा लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक बाय.